In today's whirlwind of technological advancements, change is the only constant. Some new technologies are so advanced and innovative that you have to think twice about whether they're real or fake. Just a decade ago, concepts like AI, virtual reality, seemed like distant dreams, and now, it's all very real. Welcome to Galore Techs. In today's video, we'll show you 10 new technologies that are expanding the boundaries of possibilities and helping us live our better lives. Number 1. World's first ever telepathic game of chess. Once considered only a sci-fi fantasy, telekinesis is now a reality. Meet Nolan Arbaugh, a 29-year-old who skyrocketed to fame as Neuralink's pioneering recipient of their groundbreaking brain chip. 8 years ago, a diving accident left him paralyzed from the shoulders down. Arbaugh was selected as the chip's recipient and recently underwent the revolutionary journey where Neuralink's brain chip was implanted in his skull. And now, in a video posted on X, he was shown to be controlling the cursor on the screen with nothing but his brain. He actually played a game of chess effortlessly without doing anything. The brain chip seems to be really working well, and one can only imagine how far this successful implant will take us. Number 2. Lumen wearable headset for the blind. Lumen is a Romanian research startup which is trying to give back some independence to the visually impaired. With 40 million blind individuals globally, not everyone can access guide dogs. Lumen aims to condense the benefits of a guide dog into a wearable headset. This headset has 5 cameras which capture surroundings like a guide dog would. The device processes navigational data, identifies environmental context, and relays essential information to the user. Using haptic and auditory feedback, it mimics the guidance sensation of a guide dog, aiding users in navigation and obstacle detection using a sensation similar to a guide dog's tug on one hand or to the user's head. Number 3. World's most stable car, the NIO ET9. A Chinese multinational automobile manufacturer, NIO, introduced its flagship sedan, the ET9, spotlighting its groundbreaking Skyride chassis system. Central to its features is the world's first fully integrated hydraulic active suspension, complemented by an active suspension electric drive unit. This innovative setup ensures unprecedented stability, particularly on uneven roads. The company showcased the ET9's prowess by placing a prototype in water and inducing high-frequency movements in its front wheels. Despite the motion, some water-filled glasses placed on the hood remained completely undisturbed. Now imagine how comfortable a ride on this revolutionary car would be. Number 4. LaserWeeder from Carbon Robotics. Carbon Robotics introduces the LaserWeeder, a cutting-edge weed control solution merging AI, computer vision, robotics, and lasers. It operates with precision and identifies and targets weeds autonomously. With impressive efficiency, it can eradicate up to 200,000 weeds per hour, while covering 2 acres at a steady pace of 1 mile an hour. LaserWeeder can enhance crop health, quality, and yield. It uses high-resolution cameras and advanced computing to differentiate between weeds and crops in real time. Its high-power fleet of high-powered lasers gets rid of weeds with thermal energy, leaving the soil undisturbed. This is truly agricultural innovation at its finest. Number 5. World's first spatial computer, the Nimo 1 Core. Nimo 1 Core emerges as the pioneer in spatial computing to increase productivity. It's a compact device the size of a mouse, and when paired with Nimo Planet's operating system and Nimo Glass, it creates a portable workspace with multiple screens. The components of this computer integrate seamlessly to create a personalized workspace. With its unique technology, it can project up to 6 high-quality 3D screens into your physical space, making it easy to organize and access your apps. The Nimo OS comes with intuitive interfaces and gestures to manage your apps effortlessly. Equipped with a trackpad and handheld functionality, the Nimo 1 Core offers versatile interaction, and you can even connect a mouse, keyboard, and a head-mounted display via Bluetooth. Number 6. Brelyon Ultra Reality Display. Haven't we seen too many virtual reality headsets already? Have a look at this new technology now though. Brelyon Ultra Reality Display is a game changer for desktop monitors, enhancing gaming and metaverse experiences with unparalleled visual depth. It introduces a groundbreaking feature, image depth, providing a large field of view and screen size. This innovation not only elevates immersion, but also reduces eye fatigue by relaxing your eye muscles. Utilizing computational wavefront engineering, it crafts a panoramic virtual screen with genuine optical depth. Designed for immersive content and visualizations, Brelyon's Ultra Reality technology delivers a mesmerizing, panoramic, 122-inch virtual screen, brimming with clarity and detail, all without the need for a headset. It's a remarkable advancement in display technology that redefines the boundaries of visual experience. Number 7. First wireless arthroscope. Lazerite's Arthro-free wireless camera system is a groundbreaking technology that promises minimally invasive surgeries. Being the inaugural FDA-cleared wireless camera system, it addresses several critical challenges inherent in traditional wired setups. In surgical environments, when the surgeons are immersed in working on the patients, cords and wires not only reduce mobility, but are a big tripping hazard with a risk of overheating as well. The Arthro-free wireless arthroscope is a compact tube housing a camera and eliminates these concerns. Powered by aerospace-grade lithium-ion batteries, this new arthroscope ensures uninterrupted performance. It liberates surgeons and enhances their maneuverability and precision during procedures, potentially revolutionizing the landscape of surgeries by making them safer and more efficient and ultimately improving patient outcomes. Number 8. 5G powered ultra-long-range robotic surgery. Another historic milestone was reached in Hangzhou, China, as surgeons performed a gallbladder removal on a patient located an astounding 4,650 kilometers away in Aral, Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. This feat marked China's inaugural ultra-long distance surgery, made possible by a 5G-powered robotics system. Developed domestically, the state-of-the-art forearm endoscopic robot enabled surgeons to conduct the procedure with precision and efficiency. The patient, a woman in her 30s, benefited from avoiding extensive travel for urgent surgery due to gallstones and acute inflammation. Typically, specialists would face lengthy flights and travel hours by air and bus to reach Aral. However, with the 5G-enabled system, the surgery only lasted half an hour, showcasing its efficacy and potential for remote patient care. This achievement speaks volumes about China's commitment to using cutting-edge technologies like robotics and 5G in healthcare, breaking barriers of distance and enhancing treatment accessibility and outcomes for patients and medical professionals alike. Number 9. SignAloud Smart Gloves. So we all know they say age is just a number, and these two young 19-year-old students, well, they've proven it right. Two students from the University of Washington have created SignAloud Smart Gloves, revolutionizing communication for the deaf and mute. These gloves translate sign language into text or speech in real time, connecting wirelessly to a computer. The gloves are embedded with sensors, and each glove records hand gestures, transmitting data to a laptop via Bluetooth. Utilizing sequential statistical regressions like neural networks, the computer interprets gestures and vocalizes associated words or phrases. While currently limited to American Sign Language, SignAloud holds immense promise, potentially benefiting over 70 million individuals worldwide with hearing and speech impairments. Number 10. Transparent Camera by ZEISS. The renowned German optics leader ZEISS has introduced multifunctional smart glass technology, capable of projecting holographic and augmented reality content onto transparent surfaces. This innovation can enable heads-up displays for cars, 3D control elements in smart homes, and even transparent video cams embedded within glass panels. Central to this technology is a thin polymer film that transforms ordinary glass surfaces into dynamic screens for communication, boasting over 92% transparency and ultra-high precision optics. By combining projection, detection, illumination, and filtering capabilities, smart glass offers a multitude of possibilities. Drivers can access dashboard and navigation information directly in their field of view, while side and rear windows may serve as additional content displays. Gesture or voice-activated holographic controls on flat surfaces, adjustable ambient lighting, and solar energy harvesting are all among its potential applications. ZEISS transparent camera promises a future where glass surfaces, well, they'll integrate technology and enhance both functionality and aesthetics in various domains. And that's about it for today. Tell us in the comments section which new technology has the highest potential in the future and which one doesn't. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Text videos. Thanks for watching.